Now this week, ladies and gents, it is one of the interesting weeks because, ladies and gents, not only are we getting the NAV insurance registrations on Tuesday, but we will also be getting an official launch of the ET7 on Thursday, which is something that is pretty exciting because we have seen how the car looks like both on the inside out, but we don't know yet how much the price or how much is the price of the new ET7 or 2024 ET7. Yes, we know that from the previous or all of the previous models, NIO said that they are keeping the price at the same amount, where they meaning that the same price they were selling the 2023 ES6 is the same amount they are selling the 2024 ES6. But for the ET7, looking at the kind of upgrades they introduced to the car, we still don't know if whether we'll keep the price at the same range, which I don't think it makes sense that they do, because of the drastic change that they made on the car, especially on the inside. I mean, on the inside, the car is now even much more comfortable comparing to the 2023 ET7. I mean, the seats that you get now with the ET7 are just so out of this world, and comfort is one of the things that, ladies and gents, NIO did not compromise on the latest 2024 ET7, and that I think deserves at least a bit of raise from how much NIO was selling, of course, that car. Now you have got an options to add 3 screens at the back of the front seat, which is something that, of course, again, that is an additional option that I believe it would come with some extra money. So we want to see, or the most important part is, we want to hear how much NIO will be selling the latest ET7 because, ladies and gents, if they price it very well, then sales of the ET7 will be revived. And by the way, you will know that NIO plans to start with the deliveries of the ET7 around the 30th of April or end of this month, which is next week, which, ladies and gents, I look forward to the deliveries. I look forward to how much NIO will be selling in terms of deliveries coming from the ET7. But I think those 300, 500 we were seeing from the ET7 last year in terms of sales on a month-to-month, those days are over, and we are going to see, of course, the ET7 sales rather being revived because of the upgrades that NIO has introduced on the car. So I look forward to the launch on Thursday, and of course I'll bring you that launch for you, or make a video about that launch. And I just hope, man, the orders for the ET7 can be revived, and we see once again ET7 selling thousands and thousands of cars or on a month-to-month, which is something that I look forward to. Otherwise, the NAV insurance registrations, and I hope this week at least we get over 3,000 NAV insurance registrations, because, ladies and gents, these 2,500 deliveries, they are still pretty low. I feel like NIO can still do more, and I hope to see at least 3,000 deliveries coming from NIO come on Tuesday when they report their NAV insurance registrations. So I also look forward to that, and I'll give you that report when it comes. But otherwise, Thursday, it is one of the days that, of course, we need to closely monitor, because NIO will be announcing the price, or will be doing an official launch of the NIO ET7, where they will be telling us how much this new car is. But as I said, I doubt that they will keep the price at the same price they were selling it last year in 2023. I look forward to just hear what they have to say about, of course, the NIO ET7. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I just thought I'd just give you this quick update about what is it that we can expect coming out of NIO this coming week. Share price wise, I know that we are still so under pressure, but hopefully we get to recover as time unfolds. But of course, I still remain long and strong, because the reason why I invest into NIO is not because of where it's trading at, but or the technical side of things, but I invest based on the fundamentals on where NIO could be in the future. That's the main reason why I invest into NIO. Share price wise, I have chosen to ignore the day-to-day movements, but focus on the long term onto this stock in terms of where it could be as a company in the future. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.